Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Browardville around 5:20 p.m. Motley and Randall around 5:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Philbrook, Bertram, Long Prairie Airport, Round Prairie, Little South and Cushing. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.